The name of the man you'll hear in the video is Will. He had inconsiderate upstairs neighbors who constantly argued with one another and ran around on the second floor like nobody lived below them. There were multiple problems with these people, including their unwillingness to close the outside basement door where laundry is done by the people in the complex. After an argument with one of the second floor roommates whose name isn't on the lease, one of the guys upstairs called the police. Will decided to record the police visit.
Okay. You will be answering. It's okay. You're being filmed. You can film us. We'll film you. So I'm going to ask to see your ID.
No, thank you.
Okay. You're going to have two options. Okay. We're going to come in there.
You got two options. It's going to go one of two ways for you. Here's the deal, partner. We're letting you know we're in control, not you. We're here to serve and protect ourselves.
You are not allowed access to my apartment.
Place you under arrest. Okay.
You don't have to, I'm not driving my car. I don't have to supply ID.
Oh, you're being investigated for it's a situation.
I had an argument with a guy that's not supposed to be living upstairs.
Okay, over what?
Because they won't lock the basement door.
Okay, was there a physical altercation between you two?
No.
Okay.
Good. See, that's we're trying to just.
All we're trying to figure out here.
Sort through it. That's all.
Because I get one, his side.
That's all we're trying to do. We're just trying to sort through. We're here as the good guys. You can trust us. Now, give us your name.
Sorry, I want to get your side.
Nobody touched anybody. Okay. He didn't touch me, and I didn't touch him.
Okay.
Okay. Well, in that case, it can be a matter of record. Can I just see your ID or get some information from you?
No, thank you.
What is your name?
I would rather not.
Well, I just need a name.
I need a name
to document that we were here.
And then that'll be it.
Resident of the first floor.
That doesn't work.
I'm not going to supply my name.
I'm
not driving.
Let me explain something to you. Would you want to be placed under arrest
for what?
For not cooperating?
I'm cooperating.
Impeding our investigation.
There you go.
Any investigation.
You have got to be a low-life individual to pull out a threat like that. You don't give us your name, we're going to arrest you for obstructing our investigation. They want that investigation. They want to collect that data so they can investigate.
It's not my responsibility to help you with your investigation.
Amen.
Yeah, it is.
I have the Fifth Amendment right to remain quiet.
Enough.
I have a Fifth Amendment right to remain quiet.
You're going to talk yourself into handcuffs. It's the
I don't wish to answer any questions.
This is the craziest thing I've ever heard.
No, it's not.
You want to go to jail
for not answering questions?
We're doing an investigation right now.
So you're obstructing the administration.
I'm not obstructing anything.
Yes, you are.
I told you there was an argument, and that was it.
Let me explain something to you. I am telling you you are, and I can place you in handcuffs for it. I'm trying to avoid that ridiculous. Just give us a name, and we're out of here.
Give us your name and some information.
Will. That's it.
Will? Last name, Will.
I'm not giving my last name.
We need a last name.
No.
Okay, so we're going to place you under arrest because you don't want to give us your name.
You can't do that.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I can't.
Given his first name was way too much.
I don't have to supply my name.
Okay, so you want to be arrested.
Come on, cat. Let me get my cat out of the way here.
I'm going to just end up breaking your door.
I told you I have to get my cat out of the way. Hold on, G. Go. 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 G. Go. Get.
He's spraying. What the heck? Did he just fart?
G.
I gotta play that back.
G. Come on, go.
I think he farted. Hold on. Guys, he farted. Okay, here he goes. I'm playing it back again. This is hilarious. All right, I'm going back 5 seconds. Listen. Is this a fart? Man, that sounds like that sounds like something came out of that, man. We need an investigative wipe to go with that. This guy doesn't give a flip. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Okay, I'm playing it again. This is just purely for humor right now at this point. I know it's gratuitous, but we got to do it. Parts of freedom, says Dr. Evils. Oh my God.
G.
He's chasing G the cat around with a spray bottle and just ripping him out, man.
Come on, go.
Sounds tight. Frank Pants is like, this guy's never been to prison. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I am crying, man. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Can we have a last name so we could get out of here and be done with this?
This is comedy gold.
Listen, I'm just going to tell you this here, okay?
Yes, sir.
The guy upstairs is not on the lease to live upstairs.
Okay.
I asked him why he can't lock the basement door, which is access to do laundry.
Okay.
I have to go out and lock it all the time, and the landlady wants it locked.
Okay.
They've been told numerous times to lock the basement door.
Okay.
Also, they run around upstairs making believe or unaware, or making believe they're unaware that anybody lives underneath.
Okay.
Till I could have called the cops at 11:30, 12:30 at night because of the noise I have to listen to.
Ken, call us. Call us. We'll come on.
But I didn't.
Okay.
I just endured it
Okay.
until I found him sitting outside tonight smoking a cigarette
Okay.
in the place that he's not on the lease to live in,
Okay.
whereas I am.
So wouldn't you want this all documented?
No.
So if there's an issue, you can justify that.
No. I had an argument with him,
Okay.
and that was it. He didn't touch me. I didn't touch him.
Okay.
Actually, he came over here. I didn't go over there.
No Mask, No Way says, why the F is this guy giving legitimacy to these cops? You don't owe them explanations. I agree. But you know what? We're all at a certain point in our journey, and there's certain things that we know now that we didn't know then. There's certain things we're going to know then that we don't know now. And, you know, it's all just it's a learning experience.
Okay?
Why did he come over here?
I don't know.
Did you exchange words with him?
I told you we had an argument.
Okay. But I was making sure it was before or after the argument. You know.
During the argument.
Okay.
During the argument.
Okay. Well, we're going to document all that, so it's a matter of record. Can we just have a last name for you, and we'll be on our way?
I really don't understand why I have to give you my last
They
name.
make it sound
So
so
I could say
harmless.
I spoke to
You
so-and-so.
spoke to Will.
Will.
You spoke to Will, the tenant that you came to talk to. Apartment A of this particular address. I'm really not, I don't feel I have to give my last name. I'm not impeding on anything. I'm not obstructing.
What you feel, and what
And I'm not driving my vehicle where I have to produce ID.
I'm not here for any vehicle.
Right. You're asking me to produce ID and identify myself.
Because a dispute occurred on your porch with the neighbors. So just give us a last name and we're out of here. Simple. It's very simple, sir.
I gave you my first name.
Okay, and last name, Will.
I do not want to give my last name.
I know you don't want to. But
Right. I don't believe I am obligated to.
But I'm telling you, Yon.
Am I legally obligated to?
Yes.
What is the statute? What is the statute and law that I am legally obligated to give my last name in my residence?
Well, we're investigating a dispute. So I need to document the parties involved. That's it. Otherwise, you're up.
Come on, help me out. I need to document the parties involved. You never want your name, your full name and your address to go into some police database. You never want it. Nothing good is going to come of that. So when they're like, come on, dude, I'm just doing my job. Well, I'm doing my job too. I'm doing my job as an American to actually protect my person and protect my property and protect myself from road pirates. That's what I'm doing. This is all for public safety.
I'm not obstructing any. It's not my responsibility to help you with your investigation.
Amen.
I am allowed under the Constitution to remain silent.
Not allowed.
I don't have to identify myself unless I'm driving a motor vehicle in the state of New Jersey. That's when I legally have to identify myself. If I'm walking down the street, I don't have to identify myself. New Jersey is not a stop and ID state.
I'm not stopping you because you're walking down the street.
I'm in my apartment and you're bothering me.
I responded here for a dispute.
I didn't call you.
Doesn't matter if you called. Okay? You're a party involved. Correct?
I gave you my first name.
I'm just asking for a last name, and then we could complete our report, and we're done. We're going in circles here.
Right, but I don't believe I'm legally obligated to supply you with my name at all.
Okay, what you believe and what actually is the case are two different things.
Actually, I don't have to answer any questions because I'm not obligated to answer any questions.
Bring you down to the station and fingerprint you.
No, you can't fingerprint.
Can you imagine threatening another man like that? Oh, you're not going to give us what we want? Well, we're going to pull out our unlimited force and power and our unlimited resources, and we'll do whatever it takes to bring you to bear. We're going to make you submit, buddy. You don't give up. You don't make it the easy way. We're going to make it the hard way for you. I can't stand. That's psychopathic, guys. That is literally the outgrowth of being a psychopath. I am going to control you, and I'm going to get what I want from you, even though you don't want to give it to me. And I'm willing to use force, violence, coercion, deception in order to do it.
I mean, New Jersey is not a stop and identify state. You can't do that.
Do you understand we're investigating a dispute that occurred on your porch? So
Do you understand? I didn't call you.
I don't care.
And the guy that did call you isn't on the lease to live here.
You're one of the
Suspect for having an argument while I'm on my apartment?
Okay, so what if he says you actually threatened him with something?
But I didn't, and he didn't say that.
That's your word versus him.
But he didn't say that to you, otherwise you would have already done something about
I
that.
could say so.
He already fished and talking to him. He said he could leave. I heard that.
So people say things after the fact. I remembered him stating this. I remember him stating that.
Then he'd be falsifying a police record. Yes, he would.
Recollection comes after the fact.
Please.
Okay. All right. So you're not going to provide us with.
I gave you my name. My name is Will.
Will, last name, Will.
I really don't want to give you my last name. I don't believe that you'll be gone.
William? Yes,
I don't believe you'll be gone.
Yeah, that's a lie.
Please, sir.
Yeah, because I want to stand here in the cold.
I have my door open in the cold, and I'm dressed just as warm as you are. Look, all I have is this little sweatshirt on.
Give us your last name and we're gone. We could complete our thing and we're out of here, man.
And what else is it? What did he tell you?
We're not going to go there. If you don't want to cooperate with me, we're not going to say.
See.
Oh, so you want me to bend over backwards for you, but you don't.
What's your name and badge number?
Patrolman Lemandry, actually Sergeant Lemandry, badge number 55.
What's your name and badge numbers, officer?
Officer Bocar, Bruton Police Department, badge number 56.
And what's your name and badge number, officer?
Patrolman Cuesta, badge number 60.
Thank you.
Now, who are you, sir?
I'm Will, and I reside at this residence. You can look me up.
Will who?
All you have to do is do the address.
They feel like you're obligated to give your name because they gave their name and badge numbers per their policies.
First name, and you'll have my name.
Now, does your landlord state this gentleman shouldn't be here?
There's only 3 people on the lease, the 2 little babies and the woman. He's not on the lease. He's not on the lease.
Does the landlord say
He's not supposed to be living here. I live down here. I know what goes on up there because they're loud. I just told you that. 12:30 at night.
All right, well.
12:30 at night. They're freaking making noise, and I don't bother you guys at 12:30 at night. Have a good night, officer.
So after multiple attempts to intimidate Will into giving up his name, after numerous threats that they will use state violence against him and arrest him, it turned out to all be just a bunch of hot air. As we've seen many times on this channel, the current advice of the day from lawyers and even former cops is that it's never a good idea to talk to police. They'll tell you that nothing you say to them has the slightest chance of working out in your favor. So what do you think? Did Will talk too much to the police? Do you think these cops should be trusted? And should you give your name to the cops? If you enjoyed this video, maybe you'll like some of my others. Check out the most popular playlist, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, like and share this video, subscribe to my email list, and if you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt, become a channel member. But more importantly, know what your rights are and stand for your rights. If you don't exercise those rights, you will lose them. I'll see you in the next video.